Hey guys, today I want to show you our stainless steel hinge. Its surface treatment is stainless steel, so it's anti-rust and abrasive resistant. This one is the half overlay. We also have the full overlay and inserted specification. The product has cushioning effect. And here, the screws are adjustable. This screw can adjust in and out of the door panel, and this one can adjust the left and right. And here, it has 6 manganese steel laminations and extended cylinder, silent operation, and longer service life. So, if you want to know more information about our product, please contact us.